Gemini Live update, Astra camera and screen sharing now on Android. Google initially announced that its Gemini Live features, including the Astra camera and screen sharing, would begin rolling out in March, and early signs of the rollout began appearing around 2 weeks ago. Now, momentum is building. On Saturday, Google confirmed it's working hard to make it available to more people, indicating the rollout is gaining pace. Earlier this week, Google updated a support article, confirming that any Android device subscribed to Gemini Advanced will support the new features. Astra now live on Pixel devices in the US and Europe. As of today, Astra camera has started appearing on 2 separate Pixel phones signed into different Google accounts, one based in the US, the other in Europe. However, the feature is still missing from other Android devices linked to those same Google accounts, reinforcing that this is a gradual, phased rollout. That said, compared to earlier weeks, more users are reporting access, signaling a wider release is underway. What to expect when Astra goes live? Once the feature rolls out to your device, you may receive a prompt in the Gemini app that says, "Share your camera or screen with Gemini Live." According to Google, this feature allows you to talk through ideas, learn about your environment, get help with what's on your screen. Tapping the Gemini Live button launches the Astra camera, which appears as a new icon in the bottom row of the app's interface. You can switch between the rear and front cameras using a corner toggle button. A message will appear, advising, "For better results, capture objects with steady movements." This viewfinder must remain active for Gemini Live to process visual input in real time. Screen sharing feature also rolling out. You can also initiate screen sharing via the same full-screen Gemini interface or by tapping Share Screen with Live through the Gemini overlay, accessible from anywhere on your phone. Before screen sharing starts, you'll see a privacy confirmation prompt, asking for permission to share your screen with Google. Once accepted, a live counter appears in your system status bar next to the time, letting you know it's actively running. How to check if you have Astra? If you're eager to see whether Astra is live on your device, try this quick method. Force stop the Gemini, Google app. Relaunch Gemini Live. If available, the new camera and screen sharing buttons should appear in the interface. This exciting rollout signals Google's deeper push into context-aware, visual-first AI assistants for Android. With Astra and screen sharing slowly reaching more users, Gemini Live is shaping up to be one of the most powerful AI tools on mobile.